you, you're dead!
Pinhead! Buzz off!
Careful now,
Getting scared, Pinhead!
you little prick, I'll get you for that! Careful now, you might hurt yourself!
Oh, right in the hot rod! Oh!
You little prick, I'll get you for that!
Oh! Someone is dead!
If I don't get money soon, they cut most of them off.
She's got the hots from me, I know it.
I better go study. Bye.
Class is about to start. Go now.
Remember, class, the specimens are not edible, no matter how delicious they look. What's the matter? Don't you like cutting things open? Take your time, boy. Dissection is an art. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Remember, slow and steady wins the race.
Oh, nasty!
Take your time, boy. Dissection is an art.
Oh, I think I'm gonna be sick.
What's the matter? Don't you like cutting things open?
Oh, so that's where Edna's meatloaf comes from.
No, no. Gently, carefully. A good start, Hopkins. Let's see if you can keep it up, shall we? Well, Hopkins, you seem to have passed biology. There must be some scientific explanation for this.
Straight up awesome! Another job well done.
They all call me a teacher's pet. I don't understand why. He calls me an annoying twerp.
I've been working
but I know
really hard
we're
on those
friends.
cheerleader routines after I
Have you
made
ever
the
tried
team.
to run away from school?
You're so much.
No way! I'll sue your ass if I ever kids! Isn't being going on? So nice. Yeah, I already know that. I'll never design the ultimate yardstick. This planet is too small. Those who treat me terribly shall someday be punished by
I like to stay
myself.
after class.
I transpose everyone else's problems onto myself. And it's like a cancer. Keep me alive. You got it, man. See you later, I guess. You're a disgrace to the Woolworth Press. I better make a friend soon.
I can't believe anyone likes condiments. I mean, they're like snot or something. Pathetic loser.
If this guy fell on my head, I don't think I'd feel any worse than I do right now.
Anger management is overrated when you can beat people.
Hi. This place is totally pathetic.
Hey,
jackass! Why don't you get bent?
$20 is a lot of money.
Betty has arrived.
Too easy!
Pea-brain.
You're such a failure.
Keep vigilant. Evil is everywhere. You're here to learn, not to goof off.
Look at the cool...
I hope you're all taking this class seriously. Music should be an amazing outlet for personal expression, not just an opportunity to bang on things. I didn't think you'd do it, Jimmy, but you passed music class. Congratulations, you little drummer boy, you.
It's easy when you know how.
I'll end up working at a bookstore when I'm 30 because all I have is a master's degree.
I don't like where this school is heading.
Save it for someone who cares. Are you saying I'm not
Idiot.
I'm gonna tell him!
Word up, Coolio. Salutations.
I can pick up nerd with one hand. Gotta go. Need your stuff in locker.
Why are boys so confusing? I just don't get them. It's obvious from all
I can't wait to be rich one day.
You be.
I want an injury settlement.
You going down, kid. So, is it worth it? Now that you're gonna get.
Of course I love you, Johnny.
No, you don't.
Love is complicated.
That didn't seem complicated between you and that Gordo kid. I'm gonna kill him!
Johnny, please! We've been over that. He's sweet, but it was so innocent.
Get off.
Oh, I love it when you get angry, Johnny. I really do. You're so bestial. Hey, Jimmy.
Hey, what are you doing here?
Looking for you, Johnny.
At Lola's house?
Yeah.
Be nice to each other. You know what I like about you two? You're both so straightforward, so quick to judge, so fast.
Ain't no one fast like me.
Really? So you could beat Jimmy in a race?
Definitely.
I heard he was pretty fast.
This little twerp? Give me a break.
Oh, I think we've got a little challenge. I just love challenges. They make me so excited.
Like you dorks have a chance
Remember,
at this?
a wheel ain't a wheel without all
We're
its
gonna
spokes.
break you! Oh yeah? You're a trick!
I'm just toying with you, kid. Hey, you're lucky you're ugly. Hey, quit playing around.
I'm gonna pound your face.
When I'm finished beating you, I'm going home to Lola. Hey, quit playing around. All right, Jimmy, you won. Well, of course, my bike wasn't tuned right. I'm gonna head to the shop and do some work on it.
More bike talk? I'll meet you guys later.
I got something to show you.
You smeared my lipstick, you beast!
I should teach lessons or something.
Let's go.
Hey, you! Some kids like to write on walls that don't belong to them.
Back off,
You got a
idiot.
camera. Take some pictures of them.
Yeah, all right, let's do it.
Thanks.
Let me get some of that action. You're gonna get clean. Get some.
You want a ticket for speed?
This what you're looking for?
Thanks, kid. You know, you're not too bad.
I'm gonna break your chain. I'm a cool dude and a nice guy.
The best part
For
is
me,
that you
peanut.
can't
Gotta help Johnny.
You're going down.
2 men.
Come on, hero.
No! This is too easy.
By Johnson. Come on, hero. Walk tall, don't you?
Hang in there, I'm coming.
I did it for Johnny.
You little prick, I'll get you for that. You little prick, I'll get you for that. This hurts way more than the time I was jumped into my bag.
Hopkins, I'm frightfully in need of your help. I think I might be going crazy. It's either
pretty good looking.
What's up?
Oh, you're so angry. But I think you've got a softer side.
Haven't you caused enough trouble?
That's not fair. I'm a nice girl. I'm nice to everyone. Now, everyone hates me.
Look, I'm sorry.
Well, okay. But now Johnny and his boys won't even speak to me.
Boys can get really jealous when they find out you've been kissing another boy.
It wasn't like that. I'm not like that.
Okay.
But I left all my things in the abandoned tenements where they hang out. My address book, my keys, my perfume, my lipstick, even my laundry. Everything. Now I've got nothing. I don't have much money.
That's too bad.
Maybe you could get them back for me?
You want me to steal your stuff back from a bloodthirsty mob of angry greaseballs?
I'd be very grateful, Jimmy. Very grateful.
I don't lose people! Joe, you think you can hurt me? If you're gonna do that, do it out of my sight.
Take it easy, boss. Gotta remember to play the loud.
Say bye-bye. I'll hang on to that.
Boys, it's Jimmy. Back me up. I'm gonna smoke your butt with my boot.
Mine. I know. Life's short, then you die.
Don't even think about touching a hand. Oh, right in the hot rod. If there's tracks nearby, you're on the wrong side of it. You're tearing me apart.
Whoa, what are you doing here?
Taking out the trash.
Looks like that's what I have to do. I just love wrecking things with my hammer. over. You and me are gonna settle this real soon.
This'll help. Score! What's this?
Oh yeah?
My girlfriend's gonna kill me! Oh!
Even though I'm 70, my
Never lose your crank and have to
have the varicose veins of a 68-year-old.
Thanks, honey. You're great.
You smell real good.
Wow, Jimmy. You're so manly.
That's that nonsense dealt with.
So, I need your help.
Starting a tagging
Keep
campaign.
running.
I want you to help me.
Yeah, okay.
You in?
Come on! You wanna get real now? You're going down hard, pal!
Come and get it!
Take off!
After I'm done hitting you, I'm gonna sit on you! Oh, right in the hot rod!
Get out of my way!
Good day. Wonder what a stupid brat is.
Bullworth is the worst school ever.